The history of the Olympic Games is a rich and fascinating narrative that spans over 2 millennia, showcasing the evolution of sports, culture, and international cooperation. Below is a detailed story of the Olympics from their ancient origins to the modern era. Ancient Olympic Games, 776 BC, 393 AD. Origins and early history. The Olympic Games originated in ancient Greece, with the first recorded games held in 776 BC in Olympia. These early games were part of a religious festival honoring Zeus, the king of the Greek gods. The ancient Olympics were held every 4 years, a tradition known as the Olympiad. Events and participants. The ancient games featured a limited number of events compared to modern standards, including running races, stadion, diaulos, and dolichos, wrestling, boxing, pankration, a form of mixed martial arts, chariot racing, and the pentathlon, comprising running, jumping, discus throw, javelin throw, and wrestling. Participation was restricted to free-born Greek men, with women not allowed to compete or even attend the events. Significance and decline. The Olympic Games were not only a display of physical prowess, but also a means of uniting the often warring Greek city-states through a shared cultural and religious experience. However, the Games declined with the rise of the Roman Empire and were eventually banned in 393 AD by Emperor Theodosius I, who viewed them as a pagan ritual. The modern Olympic Games, 1896, present revival by Pierre de Coubertin. The idea of reviving the Olympic Games was championed by French educator Baron Pierre de Coubertin. Inspired by the ancient games and the potential for promoting peace and understanding through sports, Coubertin founded the International Olympic Committee, IOC, in 1894. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896, symbolically linking the ancient and modern traditions. Growth and expansion. The early 20th century saw the Olympics grow in scale and diversity. The 1900 Paris Games included women for the first time, and the number of sports and participating nations steadily increased. The Winter Olympics were introduced in 1924 in Chamonix, France, featuring sports like skiing, ice hockey, and figure skating. Challenges and milestones. The Olympic movement faced numerous challenges, including the cancellation of the 1916, 1940, and 1944 Games due to the World Wars. However, the post-war period saw a resurgence in Olympic popularity. The 1936 Berlin Games, hosted by Nazi Germany, were marred by political propaganda, but also notable for Jesse Owens's 4 gold medals, challenging Aryan supremacy ideologies. Cold War and boycotts. The Cold War era, 1947-1991, brought political tensions to the Olympics, with significant boycotts in the 1980 Moscow Games, led by the USA, and the 1984 Los Angeles Games, led by the USSR. Despite these tensions, the Games continued to symbolize a global platform for peaceful competition. Commercialization and professionalism. The late 20th century saw increasing commercialization of the Olympics, with significant sponsorship deals and broadcasting rights generating substantial revenue. The 1992 Barcelona Games marked the full inclusion of professional athletes, notably in basketball with the USA's Dream Team. Recent developments. The 21st century has brought both triumphs and controversies. The 2008 Beijing Games showcased China's rise as a global power, while the 2012 London Games were celebrated for their organization and inclusivity. However, issues like doping scandals, notably involving Russia, cost overruns, and debates over the environmental impact and human rights concerns have also emerged. Tokyo 2020 and beyond the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, postponed to 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, were unprecedented in their execution, with no spectators allowed and strict health protocols. These games highlighted the resilience of the Olympic movement and its ability to adapt to global challenges. Symbolism and legacy. Olympic symbols. The Olympic Games are rich with symbols, including the 5 interlocking rings representing the unity of the 5 inhabited continents, the Olympic flame symbolizing the link between ancient and modern games, and the motto Citius, Altius, Fortius, faster, higher, stronger. Cultural impact. The Olympics have had a profound cultural impact, promoting ideals of excellence, friendship, and respect. They have provided a platform for addressing social issues, such as gender equality and racial discrimination, and have inspired countless individuals to pursue athletic excellence. Future prospects. Looking ahead, the Olympics continue to evolve, with a focus on sustainability, inclusivity, and innovation. The upcoming Paris 2024 and Los Angeles 2028 Games aim to build on these themes, ensuring that the Olympic spirit endures for future generations. Conclusion. The history of the Olympic Games is a testament to human endurance, cooperation, and the pursuit of excellence. From their ancient origins in Greece to the global spectacles we witness today, the Olympics have continually adapted to reflect the values and aspirations of the times, uniting people across the world in celebration of the human spirit.